Well, we got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from MidwayUSA. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items. MidwayUSA. So let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And let's see how we can get this open here. See, we have some paper rolled up here. A couple of those. That'll give me a few seconds to process what we got. Like objects go together. That's always a good way to organize when you have an unknown set of objects and need to associate by patterns and quantities. Well, we got a pretty good selection of items here. Okay. Okay. Luckily, each one of these it has a identifying tag on the bags. We have here our military surplus Czech Universal Molle pouch grade 1 sand camo. Looks like an inspection date on the tags. These are the original Czech tags below them with barcodes. And looks like we also have Sturm made in Czech Republic. Manufacturer tags on there as well. Let's go take a look at one of these. So you see it's in the sand camo, plastic buckles. Sliding retention. Pull strap attached to that. Here's your flip top. Looks like some Velcro or hook and latch side on there, which will then attach to here as well. Get that to work. And then inside, okay, elasticized and drawstring top. Contents from spilling out, and then we can tuck that back inside, and then even this has hook and latch on the inside. That's what that sound was just a little while ago, and I can feel that. That's the interface for that as well. If we tuck that back in, just another quick look at the string slider there. Drawstring. Okay, this looks like we have a loop here on the outside for cinching up a little bit tighter. This is again the buckle for the flap. Right, that's the surplus universal pouch. Opposite corner, we have 4 of the military surplus British grenade pouch, grade 2, desert camo. We'll just take a look at one of these. Double check that these are all the same. Okay. This also had an inspection date on there at MidwayUSA. You can see dark colored buckle plastic, metal snaps, rubberized interior. Let's see if we can unsnap that. Okay, that's resisting. I won't fight that right now, but you can see here the label. It says pouch 40mm grenade, NSN number, a lot number, and then a spot for name and number as well. So, again, the British grenade pouch, grade 2 desert camo. Got 4 of those today. Okay, let's work our way around the perimeter here. See if we can sync up the numbers. That's 2 of these. Okay, so 2 of the British MTP grenade belt pouch. Kind of similar. So different colored buckle. See if it's rubberized on the inside as well. That one has hook and latch. Only this part is rubberized, the rest is regular fabric. Kind of interesting. So I got 2 of those. An MTP multi-terrain pattern. These are Dutch grenade Molle pouch grade 2 DPM camo. Let's see what the difference between the British and the Dutch versions are. So you can see this one has the pull tab and then cross looped there with the classic attachments. This one is rubberized, also a little bit of a backing loop right there. Molle, nice colors on the snaps, and no label. Grommet at the bottom. Let's just double check. Yeah, these all have grommets at the bottom as well. It's pretty standard. So, assembles back like so. And that goes through there. Kind of lobster clawed there into there. So again, the Dutch grenade Molle pouch, grade 2. Although these feel totally new. Trying to get them back into the bag here for now. Let's go into the middle. Okay, those are the same. These are British smoke grenade pouch, grade 2 in multi-terrain pattern. Sturm, made in Great Britain. For grade 2, these sure look new. I guess whatever is in the lot for sale is what you get, which is fine. Similarly to the other British one in MTP, only this little section is rubberized, the rest is regular fabric, hook and latch, similarly colored buckle, but you can see the size difference between this version versus the smoke grenade version. Alright, complete the middle section here. We got 2 of the British SA-80 single magazine pouch, grade 2 MTP camo. But again, these have the Sturm made in Great Britain tags still on them, and these feel crisp and new. So good deal, huh? But you can see how it's got the soft taco style. I wouldn't say it has the hard shell, but here's your retention loops right there with the paracord, and as well as a retention slider right there, cord lock. So then, British SA80 single magazine pouch, 2 of those. Let's round out this corner here with British double magazine pouch, grade 2 MTP camos. So these are expected to be a little bit bigger since they hold 2 magazines. Large flap with the hook and latch, and again wider mouth and volume, and a little grommet at the bottom. Similarly, those have grommets. All these pouches are going to have that. See all the Molle loops. British double magazine pouch. Supposed to be grade 2, but I would class these all as grade 1 so far. They all are very crisp and new. Much appreciated. So, what we got here are 2 of the military surplus Dutch Molle Canteen pouch, grade 2 Dutch Woodland Camo. Right? Okay, so what's cool is we got a little variation here. Nice. Let's compare. Are there any date differences? Nope, same dates. So depending on what you get from wherever the point of origin is, both Dutch. Ah, okay. So looks like a little bit of a ink mark there, which is cool. But the colors are the same. Grommets same. Snaps same. It's just that the way the color pattern turned out on the straps, and also highlighted with just this portion here, makes it almost seem like brush camo, which is kind of cool looking, as opposed to the Woodland. Pretty cool. So again, these 2 were the military surplus Dutch Molle Canteen pouch, grade 2. And last but not least, we have one single item, because I already have some of these as part of a Czech kit, is the Czech ammo pouch, grade 2, but this still has a new tag there, stern, made in Czech Republic. Large ammo pouch. You can see it has this style to pull, and then crossover loops with the plastic fittings. This one has the reinforcement on the front and back with soft sides, and looks like we got interesting, this little detail here where you can attach additional to this points here to secure possibly those flaps as well as needed, give you better attachment on the sides. So again, Czech ammo pouch. So these were all listed as grade 2, but these all have new tags or are real crisp. So let's try to work our way backwards here. Again, Czech ammo pouch. In no particular order, we're going to Czech sand camo universal Molle pouch. 2 of those. And then we had a whole slew of British MTP pouches. So we have 2 of the double magazine pouches. No particular order. 2 smoke grenade pouches. Here, 2 of the single magazine pouches. 2 of the Dutch grenade pouches, 2 of the MTP British pouches for grenades, and 4 of the sand camo British grenade pouches. So these all came from MidwayUSA. Feel free to check them out. Large variety of items. MidwayUSA. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage MilSerp tools and expanded topics. We also do a series of book review media reviews and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.